So first of all, watch this video.
How do you then track people to pay tax?
Yes.
How do you hope to capture more people into the net?
Yes.
You are looking for 30 million more people.
Yes. So this is
for the
where
federal taxation.
No, that's the state. It's actually state. For individual is state.
Okay.
The federal one is now the companies.
Yeah.
It's a lower number. But you see, this is the whole essence of the intelligence we are trying to piece together. What happens in your bank account when you travel abroad, how you use your payment card, electricity, your phone, all those information. We've also introduced what we call fiscalization, which is when you issue an invoice for goods or services, government gets a copy automatically. What we're trying to do with that is, instead of relying on people to be honest and patriotic to tell us their income, we want to use the system to find out. Your primary role is to declare your income yourself. Then government, on the other hand, we do a ecosystem validation. You say, life is hard though. I only made 1 million last year. And then we see that, uncle, you bought a new car last year. You traveled abroad twice last year, business class. You went to the mall, restaurant.
True, Baba Jebo.
Hey, you come and explain it. You come and explain it. You spend 50 million, you say you only earn 1. Tell us how. By the way, government will now go after you if you earn 50K and you spend 90K. They're not looking for those kind of small money. It's not worth it. So it's usually those big numbers. So by the time the system validates what you're doing, we'll be able to know that you have not paid tax. If you cannot explain yourself and your tax is 1 million, under this new tax law from next year, if you have a bank account, we can debit your bank account. Once you've been given the due process to explain yourself and you refuse, government can substitute what you have to collect the taxes you owe. So which means we can do things professionally. We can be decent. We don't need to go on the streets with wood and nails and start beating people up to collect taxes. There are very decent way of doing that in modern society, and Nigeria should not be the exception.
So I don't actually know say Nigeria fit develop a system where go actually fit determine whether you spend money, and government go automatically get their own invoice when you generate the invoice. So Nigeria, they so advanced that government and banks go actually fit track your money based on your spending. So Nigeria, they advanced that automatically they will know say this person we claim to spend 1 million naira, he actually spent 10 million naira. For over 65 years, when I not get ambulance, if you mistake sick for Nigeria, you don't go. Maybe they just, but if you mistake sick, better sickness for Nigeria, you don't go. Anthony Joshua get accident for Nigeria, they don't fit treat her for Nigeria. They transfer her go UK. Electricity, basic electricity, no matter how country die rich, basic electricity, Iran and Israel exchange missiles for days, they no seize light. Basic electricity una no fit provide, but una fit develop system and intelligence una take dey track how una take dey debit taxes. Shey una dey actually see say if this government wan actually give you a better life, they fit actually give you a better life like this. But you are not worth it to them. To them, you are worthless. They know say no matter what they do, you go tolerate them. When I not fit give people electricity, basic ambulance, when I not fit provide, ambulance no dey work, nothing dey work. But all of a sudden now, France don't need money. Now you want to pay the taxes because France don't dey collapse. France don't dey collapse. Now you want to pay the taxes to wake up to bring back France. Don't worry, congratulations. Continue, enjoy the new intelligence of you paying taxes.